Go out. Go out. Fresh news. Anyone? Tomorrow there is off from the government side. Why? But there is no off from to our school. Why? That's really bad. I feel really happy. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much. There is a meeting between our government school. I don't have any idea. I don't have any clue about it, but there might be the teacher they are having a meeting tomorrow, so that's why they are gonna and off the primary school. Jadi wani na halin ciwon kai da air, gainan ciwon kai da cikin kumar da is off. Wato wato da shida. Ana sai na next fresh news. As we make enough fresh. Next oh, take a start, sir. Sorry, I was here. Oh, really? Delivery my brother, he has danger. He has danger. Yes. Why are you laughing? Was he kidding? A couple of one of my brother, one of my sister, they are having yes, danger. They are suffering. So they are having very yes, they have been through such a difficult life. Believe that is a very difficult way. If you once identified physically, they are having a high fever 100, 102. Yes, sir. Yes, a very high fever. Because of dengue, your friend are passed away because of dengue. And the majority people they pass away. A lot of people they pass away because of dengue. They were suffering because of dengue. Yes, mister. Oh, and beds. You have to bring sweets. Okay, it has yes. And beds. Next, fresh news. And what? From who? From South Africa. Pakistan lost the match. No, he just told me Pakistan lost the match. Okay, Anwar, fresh news. Take a start. You were ill, so that is why you didn't come to the class. So you were just before yesterday. You told me that I'm going to get with my mother to the hospital. I'm going to get my mother to the doctor. Okay, then yesterday you were sick. How do you feel right now? Better right now? That's good. May Allah bless you. May Allah give you good health. Next, yes, Mr. Fresh news. Oh, we are going to go to picnic tomorrow. Okay, children, if you remember what I teach you last time, stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. What did I teach you last time, anyone? Vocabulary and next one? Now, yesterday I told you a topic what was that? Yes, sir. Get plus adjective, get plus noun. When get is followed by an adjective, it's mean. It's mean. It's mean become. Good job. Outstanding. When an adjective is followed by a gift adjective इस्तेमाल को लगे नंबर इस्तेमाल को आने से मतलब क्या become. So whenever we use a noun after gift it means it means obtain. Outstanding. For example, I got fever. I got a fever last night. I got fever last night. I got flu last night. I got a sick. I got headache last night. Understand? For example, she gets some headache usually. She usually gets some headache. Okay, students, open your book. Open your books and tell me page number.
110.
Page number
10. 110.
There is nothing. 110. Let's come toward the book on presentation number 15. Am I right?
14.
Oh, we studied about it. Number the value. Yes. And it.
4.
Scalability number. Okay, scalability number 16. Scalability number 16. Scalability number 16. Scalability number 16. Abdullah interaction. Where is your book?
Filling the place with the adjective.
Next time I want you to come to the class. I want to permit you to sit inside the class if you are having your book. Understand now? So you have to bring your book. Understand now? Open your books, Abbas, and scalability number 16. Scalability number 16. Abdullah interaction.
Filling the blanks with the adjective in the last some sentence can have more than one answer.
Okay, filling the blanks with the adjectives in the list. There are some adjectives, they have given us some adjectives and they are telling us that you have to fill the blanks and use these adjectives. From the list, some sentences can have more than one answer. Some sentences have more than one answer. For example, the first one, a difficult job keeps you busy. Outstanding. Good job. You must have a pen. Pencil and whatever it is. If a person is not writing, I'll just take him out from the class. A difficult job keeps you busier. A lot of exercise can make you no. A lot of exercise can make you exercise study busy hungry, yes, of course. Okay, next answer. If you eat a lot of potatoes, they can make you fatter. The rest is your homework. Presentation number 17. Abdul Iman redirection. Request with can and coulda. Request with can and coulda. Okay, come on, hurry up, just read it down, read it, Shawasa. You are having only 1 minute. Okay, that direction read it, Shawasa. So that's all, huh? Eleanor, yeah.
Young caught the blue from one of her
Patients,
She smiling her
receptionist,
the office to tell her she cannot come in not good is more violent
polite,
polite Jane like Jane this is Dr. Young. I am really sick and I cannot come in way. Could you please
could you please call
the
the
patient and change their
appointments?
and I have to call Dr. And I have his number.
Good job. Do you understand, Coach Leah? What they are saying that could is more polite than cannot. Could is more polite than the cannot. Understand? We have to use whenever we request for someone to check कलम में चलता request तो request इसने वाला वो code वाला इसने वाला वो. Understand? Skill building number 18. Skill building number 18. Yes, Usman, on the correction. Up could I? Good job. Make request is what does it mean? Make request means using could you or could I? Okay, we need some milk. Demonstration. Go to the store and get some. Understand? So could you go to the store and get some milk? Understand? I have to make a food call. Use your phone. Could I please use your phone? Could I use your phone as a mobile इस्तेमाल करें शमा? Look at the first one page तो बोलिया I am late for work. Give me a ride. Shabas. I am late for work. Could you give me a ride? Could you give me a ride? Two number how to make it? My thought is a terrible devastation. Could you give me some? What is that cup there? Cup there. My cup is a terrible. Could you get me some cough medicine? Understand? Next thing, sir. I forgot my pin.
Could you borrow one?
Could I borrow one? Could I borrow one? The rest that is your homework. Just 2, 3 do it by yourself. Don't couple of stuff. Reality number 19. Reality number 19. Abdullah with direction. Abdullah.
Comparative adjective.
Comparative adjectives. Do you remember what's comparative adjective? Anyone? Anyone comparative adjective? Huh? Huh?
One thing compared to the other.
Another person. Good job. And comparative adjective, we compare one person with another person. One place with another place or one thing with another thing. So let's come for the comparative adjective. Paul is a happy. Paul is dash. Now then he was 2 months ago. Paul is happier now than he was 2 months ago. 2 months ago. Paul lost 12 kilos. So he feels better than he did before has died. The rest you have to do it right now. Dano couple of shabash, come on, hurry up. Huh? Heavy was a lot. Heavier.
Hard.
Yes, harder. The rest you have to be for yourself or silently in a If you remember, I gave this was as a main idea. That was the main idea. Let's come toward the next question. Hurry up. She had a biology exam on Monday morning. What? False. On Monday morning. False.
Afternoon.
False. She went to see the campus doctor. True. Outstanding. Campus doctor is the way. Campus lawyer. Campus colleges is buildings we can I don't know campus. Understand now? Next is Regina's friends went to the doctors with her. What number was it? Yes, good. Next one, the doctor told her to go and take her exam. True, outstanding. Regina was really happy when she left the doctor's office. False. Okay, write number 21. Write number 21. Write number 21. And follow interaction and speak only. Have you? Or not? Good. Be honest. That is very fascinating. This is Zabardast. So, Muzamil, so have you ever had an experience like this or this experience have you ever pretended to be sick then बीमारी आपको Okay, in fact, the हकीकत में, in fact means the हकीकत में, you just did not want to go to school, but that was खाली ना हो तुझे school में जाना चाहता, you just pretended that I was sick and just let's just we were doing like this, वो बता सकते हो ना, मेरे बीमारी was बीमार होने लगा ना, बज़ार में बीमार थे लोग, लेकिन बस इतना दस हो गया, पचास कर दस सिक्योरिटी चीज़ बीमार ना हुई और बज़ार में बीमारी चले दिया और पेटेंट का दस सिक्योरिटी चीज़ टिप कर दिया और तो क्या what we are saying is write 2 or 3 paragraphs about this occasion और अब चीज़ बारे में सब का 3 या 4 paragraph ले लिया be honest ईमानदारी से भी लिया understand so this is your writing as your writing section चलो तो बहुत सारी बीमार ना हुई और बीमार pretend to बीमार just that is your homework that's issue is how much low unit number 9 vocabulary just read it right now if you are in any kind of problem you can ask let's move on Shabash page number it's alright it doesn't matter still we have half hour hurry up come on hurry up you are having only 1 minute to read the vocabulary read these words read these words Academic means open हो गया yes Bor means लेना Bor means लेना और ले means देना Memorize means याद दिलाना so यथा get आता The review that is your homework, as I told you, you have to just focus on communication goals. If you want to make your students better and better, you have to just focus on a communication activity. Review is the only one situation that is just communication goal. Communication goal will teach you that how you are going to talk to people. How you can talk about this topic, how can you talk about this situation, how can you talk in that situation. Understand now? That will make you understand that whenever there is a vocation, so how to talk with people. How to talk with people. تصدق
people
how to travel with people. Like communication that is the occasion by people you even start with understand that will teach you each and everything. Not some of the stuff here, but you have to just focus on it. And focus on it and just understand it for yourself. Let's move on. Page number 119. There is called main idea. There is your main idea should have the wedding. At the wedding in ST Marks Church. At the wedding in ST Marks Church. Marks Church किसी दिया wedding day. Understand? The child wedding day Gino and Christina. You have to just read it. That was very clear. And tomorrow you have to just tell me an idea of this children. That's one somewhere. Listen to us. The main idea of this, you have to prepare, you have to learn the main idea of this union, and tomorrow everybody has to deliver it. Understand? And try not to make excuses, try not, that is just, I'm doing it just for you. That is for your own benefit. Understand? That's not for my benefit. So, whatever you are doing, whatever I'm doing, that is only for you. Understand? I don't have any concern with it, so you have to just prepare. If you prepare, if you are not prepared. Does it concern with me or no, it isn't. Even if you prepare, so it will be good for you. That's there they are one of our mental reasons. So my student he just learn something so is like yeah. If you do not prepare, that's prepare the so nobody can change anything. No matter what issue. Even if the director you tell me the director they cannot change anything. What is the issue? Understand? The rest is up to you. Up to us, my dear. That's the one is the going one sign that listen to us, every teacher is intelligent. Higher teachers can higher teachers can that's the our system is become the book area. The book become that's not going to mean that there is a teacher part. A teacher part there. That's the use money going in or get that to practice the note is your part. Now it's what the that's the mother the come topic stage के लिए attend करता हूँ कुछ भी हर topic मानता हूँ. That is breaking investing perspective इस्तेमाल that is up to you. I cannot teach you that you have to use this structure in this place, you have to teach this structure in this place. जब तक सबको पता चल जाता है कि उदा structure इस्तेमाल करते हैं उदा words इस्तेमाल करते हैं उदा the rest is that depends on you. You have to just read the replay of words meaning the words vocabulary में अपलोड teach करेगा चिकन words अंदर दिया तब vocabulary vocabulary the आगे बता words इधर गया जब वापस बदल देख के राशि दिया सब words बदल clear. Let's move on. Page number 120. Vocabulary building. Vocabulary building. Muhammad said interaction. With one of the following, this is someone who has sentence and sentence you have to complete these sentences with the following words. Words and you have to use these words in the below place. The words it's simple asan the trip that a couple takes right after their wedding is called their honeymoon. Good job. What does it mean? This is the word so translate. Anyone who can translate it for me? Anyone? The trip date a couple group and rider become the other way other takes rider and after their wedding is called their honeymoon. What is their according to grammar here? Their wedding. Their according to grammar. The trip that a couple takes right after their wedding. Their wedding. Was this your adjective Was this your adjective? Okay, next answer. Another word for wedding is called marriage. Another word for wedding is called marriage. Okay, next answer. And the couple here gets married and the attendants are called the wedding party. Wedding party. Wedding party. Yes, sir. Work on the dash. At Genio's wedding was his friend Louis. Best friend. Nice. You are very talented. The rest that is your homework, the concentration homework you know. I'm not going to do it for you. That's the I'm not going to do it for you. That is why I give you task that you have to just whenever you go to home and pick up your book and just do your homework. That is why I give you this task. The devotional task, the task that you want, task to put the last year of that. That's like what it is. Just take it. No, fifth number. Karne the custom there, huh? Made of no. Made of honor at the wedding was a Carmina. Carmen Chukana about the wedding made of honor. Made of honor about the chicken the wedding Sarvaragia. Chicken the water Sarvarak at the Misoyo made of honor. That is your homework. Range number 2. Range number 2. Range number 2. Mansuri the ration.
Invitation to Eugenio and Christina in the living and have them answer questions using Korea or
Note, RSVP means that tell the person inviting you if you will or won't attend. Look at the invitation to Gino and Christina's wedding and ask and answer questions with using who, where, etc. Just leave it up to the let's move on. Presentation number 3. Presentation number 3. For plus object. For plus object. That's another topic for the one. For plus object. I bought a car for my friend. My friend for the bus share object. I bought a car for my friend. I bought a car. Listen to this. The for the bus share
My friend.
object. So this is car for plus object. This is going on for plus listen, whatever I did create is a very definition. That's the your word name of that's the your grammar point here. It's a basic definition. I swear BS something BS के मुझे समझ में ना अब उनका BS start करेगा BS के मुझे नाम start करेंगे नाम के बाद इसी खोज लिया countable नाम में खोज लिया non countable नाम में खोज लिया abstract नाम में खोज लिया material नाम में खोज लिया अब मैं बता सकता हूँ नाम टॉपिक से कर बता तो पहले वो टू दिखाई हो नाम प्रोनाउन से बता तो पहले वो 2 पहले 3 के रखाई हो और कि मुझे BS लेवल की टीच किया अधिक मुझे से आसमान अंदर हो गया मुझे समझ गया And despite of it, I know you just the key of it, the time that you use the topic for that's the road, that's the resolution. Listen, stress, I got a car. That is must of the direct object, the must of the object, the indirect object. Direct object, I know which was the direct must share a car. That's it, direct object, you know. Indirect receive my friend, and now some object, you know, indirect object, you know. So for plus object. So Howard often makes a dinner for the family. So for the family must you know for plus object, you know, for plus object. Come on, the rest example, read it by yourself. Don't come on, read it. Hurry up. Read it right now. Read it right now. Come on, hurry up.
The Howard
How about often? Last is a computer boy, huh? But you do key name, huh? Just go. Last is to the boy, you are a blog in Arjan, skill meaning number 4. Skill meaning number 4. Yes, read the action, mister.
Make past tense sentences with for.
With for. Make past sentences with the for. Past sentence जो कैसे सारे जुड़ता?
For
For से जुड़ता. Okay, listen to us. Top single station by oranges. Single station has failure. So Tom bought oranges for his failure. Okay, look at the first one. Let us listen to Bob cooked dinner for Sam. It's very a piece of cake. It's an asan come out. You have to make it right now. Most of you are having only 1 minute, Travis. Hurry up. Tom bought oranges for this. Tom bought oranges for his Bob. Bob cooked dinner. Bob cooked dinner for make na make pass with made
last for list for of list 5.
why part of bond
Make past consequence.
okay what is the past form of bring brought what is the past form of buy difference between polishing okay who will make the third one sentence Abdullah make the third one sentence Abdullah
Come here.
Genio
Genu
got
got a
calculator
calculator
for
his sister.
his sister. Okay, fourth one. Christina bought for her mother-in-law. क्या ध्यान से देखो, Make the fifth one.
Go.
Hurry up. Tom prepared articulture for Elena. Let's move on. Skill meaning number 5. Skill meaning number 5. Okay, yes. Have you done that interaction? Use. Skill meaning number 4 na bata sa accuser. Ang kaya bata sa dalawa accuse mo wala accuse na tayo yung isyara alin ang benefit mo wala isyara sa tayo accuse na tayo isyara tayo accuse tayo इशारा तब आगे जब दिमाग पे इस्तेमाल पे करने के बाद तब वाले सेंटेंस में जोड़ दिया who did talk by oranges for कोई talk चीज करना आगे oranges चार बराबर की वो हाँ for has family okay look at the first one how to make it मैंने कैसे में जोड़ो शाबाश first one who did no okay who did Bob cook dinner for Sam for Sam okay two number से जोड़ो who Yes. Zavia, you practice with her. Come on, hurry up. I said you practice. Yes. That's good for you. That's not practice, Shamas. You have to practice. Come on, YouTube. Yes. Adullah, you have to practice with him. Hurry up.
Nah, wuri boleh di kana, wuri boleh di. Kau balik kita sama jenis cerita di kana, abor boleh.
who did
Who did both cook dinner for
cook dinner
cook? Lagi dia kan kepala lagi kan. Maafkan lagi. You for the family.
who did
Who did bicara
Bob cook dinner for
dinner? Now, who did Bob cook dinner for also lagi? Who did cook Bob cook dinner for his friend?
his team
For his friend.
Who didn't Eleanor make a list of chores? Was not Eleanor with
for his team
Same or the same?
how did Eleanor make a list of chores for his
For her kids.
for her kids?
Children के सिटी करना बफोर वाले को children
that day, appreciate means that day. Presentation number 7. Presentation number 7. If you remember yesterday, I taught this topic G plus adjective. G plus a adjective. Whenever we use the adjective after getting its meaner become. For instance, people get nervous before an exam. So it means that people become nervous before an exam. I got tired. It means later I become tired. So whenever we use the adjective after get its meaner become. Its meaner become. So let's get to the first one. When Christina takes a trainer, she gets nervous. Chikala Christina person kiti takes means the Lena. Chikala Christina Sukia kiti when she gets nervous. She gets nervous. Two number. I feel fine on Monday, but I got sick on Tuesday. I got sick on Tuesday. Some of them. Was the people on the same Monday, Tuesday, I got sick. I got number sick. Sick, what is it? Sick, it is a adjective. Sick must be adjective. She becomes sick on Tuesday. Tuesday, okay, next one. It is almost. The weather is getting hotter. The weather is becoming hotter. मौसम से की गया गर्मी गया. अब इसके लिए हम 8 and fall. Read the direction. Okay, the weather is number. Air travel. That must be okay, what does it mean? Air travel was inexpensive 5 years ago, but now it is getting expensive. Air travel was inexpensive 5 years ago. Australia was it is getting expensive. That is romantic granny. Understand? Granny, it is getting expensive. Okay, we have to use the adjective after bigger. The thing about adjective to be funny about that we will use it. The nuance, like the person. When is the going? Okay, Muzammil, तुझे बात क्या आवडतं? You have to sit in the middle of Muzammil. That's all. The Leons walked around Paris for 6 hours on Saturday, and they got tired. Outstanding, and they got tired. 2 number. Christina did not eat breakfast or lunch, so she got hungry. So she got hungry before dinner time. Christina didn't eat breakfast or lunch. So she got hungry before dinner time. Next is Gino dashed because Christina didn't eat. Gino got nervous when she got angry when she Gino got angry when she nervous when she got worried when she was whatever it is. Gino got worried. Gino got angry. We should hurry up because it is getting late. Good job. It is getting late. Shabas, good job. It is getting late. Okay, Gina and Christina went sightseeing on a rainy day, so they got.
Go.
Gina and Christina went sightseeing on a rainy day. Rainy day is just the village so they got a little soil. So they got wet. So they got wet. So they got wet. So they got wet. The weather in New York dish. Contains the showers. The weather in New York gets cold in winter. Gets cold in winter. Eleanor's flight to Nigeria was boring in the beginning, but then it dashed. It dashed. The Eleanor's flight to Nigeria was boring in the beginning, but then it got interesting. Then it got interesting. Presentation number 9. Presentation number 9. Okay, I'm going to direction. Get plus now. Tas tamamin için get number bukan noun mu istimal oleh semua. Ada saya tas tamamin için kalau get number noun istimal potensi ni sebab tadi ya. To obtain apa dia disease apa dia it means a disease sometimes it was a disease meaning sometimes to arrive or पहुंचना. So Eleanor got a phone. समझ लो. Eleanor को बनवाना शुरू कर. Eleanor got a phone call from her travel agent. She got a morning flight to Lagos. So I have the rest example read for yourself. Shabas, read yours right now. Shabas, come on, hurry up. Read it right now. Read all these examples. Scale meaning number 10. Scale meaning number 10. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct form of give and a noun from the left. Okay, so words are the words both the land blanks is similar. Again, I got a tie for Tom at the department store yesterday. Okay, the first one, Lisa dash for Christina's yes, Christmas last year.
Got a postcard.
Huh?
Got a postcard for Christmas last year.
No. Skirt. Good job. Got a skirt. Christina got a skirt for Christina's last year. Tom wants to read the news, so he will get a newspaper. Get a newspaper. Third one, after she graduates from the Vocational Institute, Adela will try to get a job. Fourth one, take dash. So he left school early. Got a sore throat. Malaria खराब हो चुका. Got a sore throat. The young dash. Fifth one. No, the young dash from Christina this morning. Got a postcard. Christina is happy, so she is getting a pizza. So she is getting a pizza. Last but not least, the teacher asked a question, but he didn't give an answer. Get an answer. It's enough for today. We should call it in. Talking about after you receive. Tomorrow you have to present an idea, okay? And we are having only a few minutes, 1, 2, 3 minutes only for us. We are about to finish this level, inshallah. Listen to yourself. What is it? Okay, listen to us. Be ready for quiz number 3 and 4. 3 and 4 तरह की चीज सवाल है और हमारा सुनता है जुमा टेस्ट नहीं रहेगा अब टेस्ट बना दे हां क्विज बना दे और टेस्ट बना गया जोड़े क्विज ना बना दे और टेस्ट बना गया tomorrow so eu vă spun ce să le montrează mă de la și bălădrește de bălănațe mă atunci să टेस्ट बना understand अगर टीचर्स अगर क्लास की बच्ची अगर टेस्ट किया बट मतलब आप क्या सुन के पहले घंटे के सुन के आगे क्विज बना दिया Listen, number one, Chichak Vishnu Jilakadi, Amin Vishnu Zinar. Sachlo, quiz 3 or quiz 4 Sabala Reddishi, or all the San Chichak test, Najakay, Amin Sabala test Reddishi. Sachlo, so was on test Najakay, that's the last test hours. We did not have a test. Test. Maria, 1, 2, and Mustafa. Okay, that's the Rashi. Attendance question. Okay, so any questions, sir? Yes? Any question? If you are having any kind of question, I'm here to ask. No question? So thanks so much. Have a nice day. Have a lush day. Break a leak.